Are you here because your printer is printing blank pages one after another? I know how annoying it is when you need something printed right now and your printer just won't cooperate. In this video, I've got 4 dead sample fixes that will help your HP printer working again. Most of the time, it's just a setting thing, or maybe dried ink clogging things up. Nothing scary, I promise. Or if you need extra help, you can call the numbers displayed on your screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's get started. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Review the paper settings. So, here's what you need to do. Just open your control panel on your computer. Okay, now once you've got that open, you just have to click on Hardware and Sound. From there, head over to your devices and printers, and then look for an option that says Advanced Printer Setup. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the list that you're looking at, find your HP printer and select it. Once you've selected it, look for Printer Settings and open your printer preferences. Take a look at your paper settings in there. If they don't match with what you've actually got loaded in your printer, just go ahead and fix them. Once you've made those changes, just click on Apply and then OK to save everything. And that's it, you're done with the method 1. Alright, now let's move on to something equally important, making sure your printer's firmware is totally up to date. I'm going to show you how to do it using the HP Smart app, and trust me, it's super simple. Method 2. Update your printer firmware using HP Smart app. So grab your computer and open your HP Smart app. If you don't have it just yet, just download it real quick. Once the app opens, go to your home screen and just click on Printer to select it. Hover over the settings on the left side of the screen and look for something called Advanced Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now, your printer is going to show a little pop-up message. It basically just asks you if you want to continue to your printer settings. Just read through it and hit OK. Once you do that, you're going to get redirected to something called Embedded Web Server. Don't let the fancy name intimidate you. It's really just your printer settings page. Now, look for the Tools tab and click on it. When you open that up, you're going to see an option that says Printer Updates. Go ahead and expand that section. Inside, you'll find firmware updates. That's actually what you're looking for. Click on that. Alright, so here where it gets a tiny bit tricky. Your printers will ask you for your print number. If you don't have that memorized, no worries at all. Just head over to your actual printer, look the cartridge area and find the label with your pin on it. Once you've got that pin, come to your computer, enter it in and just hit submit. Finally, click on Check Now and the app will automatically check if there's a new version of your firmware available. If there is, it'll download and install it for you automatically. Okay, so if you're still seeing those blank pages coming out, don't worry. Let's update your printer driver next, because sometimes that's actually the culprit. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. Method 3. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First thing, just click the Start menu. Now, type Device Manager in the search box and open it up. In the windows, you're looking for print cues. Go ahead and click on it to expand that section. When you expand it, you should see the HP printer listed right there. Alright, right click on the printer's name. A menu will pop up with some options. In that menu, look for the option that says Update Driver and click on it. Once you do that, Windows will open another window asking you how would you want to search for drivers. Just click on Search automatically for drivers and your computer will go find the latest updates for your printer. Alright, now if you've got those all three fixes and you're still getting blank pages, there's one thing we can try, that is clean printer's printhead, because sometimes it gets clogged with white ink and that prevents anything from printing. Let me walk you through this step by step. Method 4. Clean the printhead. Okay, so first make sure your printer is turned on. Once it is, just open that cartridge access door on the side. Leave it open for a second and wait for the printhead to slide over to the left side of the printer. Once it's over there and stopped, take your ink cartridges, just pull them out carefully. Alright, now you'll see a grey lever right there in the cartridge area. Lift that up. Once you've done that, you can now remove the entire printhead assembly, just lift it straight out. Now, for the fun part, fill up a syringe with some warm water, just regular warm water. Attach the little plastic tube to any one of the nozzles on the printhead and push that warm water through. Once you've done that and the nozzles look clean, clean the printhead completely before you put it back in.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.